More than a dozen states have reported measles cases in the U.S. since the start of 2024, as the disease makes an alarming global resurgence amid lagging vaccination rates and increased travel. 17. That's the total number of states experiencing outbreaks as of March 7, according to data from the CDC. The cases reported in the first 3 months of 2024 are almost that of the total number cases reported in 2023, according to CDC data. Last year, 58 cases were reported across 19 states and Washington, D.C. Measles, which is characterized by a distinct rash and cold-like symptoms, is an extremely contagious disease that was deemed eliminated from the U.S. in 2000 by the CDC due to the effectiveness of the vaccine. Symptoms pop up 7 to 14 days after infection, according to the CDC, and can include a fever, cough, runny nose and conjunctivitis. Tiny white spots, called Koplik spots, can appear in the mouth 2 to 3 days after the initial onset of symptoms, and the rash typically follows within 5 days. The disease is airborne, meaning it is spread when infected people cough, sneeze or breathe. A number of complications, including pneumonia, brain swelling and even death, can arise from the infection. Younger children, pregnant people and those with compromised immune systems are at the highest risk for such complications. Despite its severity, measles is easily preventable with 2 doses of a vaccine, which is often combined in a single shot with mumps and rubella. Vaccinated people are unlikely to get the disease, with CDC data indicating about 3 in 100 vaccinated patients catching it after exposure. The World Health Organization and CDC issued a warning about an uptick in global cases in November after cases rose 18% from 2021 to 2022. Measles stages, staggering, comeback as vaccination drops. Here's what to know about the returning killer. Forbes: measles cases are rising in the U.S. Here's why misinformation about the vaccine persists today. PBS CDC team arrives in Chicago to help officials with response to measles outbreak linked to migrant shelter. CNN